welcome everybody. My name is the IT guy, and today we'll be looking at how to install an Apache server. This is the second video in my series on how to configure a LAMP stack. So the second video is going to be about Apache, and Apache is actually the web server that runs the website itself, that translates all the HTML and CSS code into a readable format known as a website. So there are of course there are other services that can do this, like Nginx is also something that runs pretty well, but I do believe that the most used one is still Apache. So we're going to use Apache, and also Apache is the commonly used one since the A LAMP stack stands for Apache. So we really want to use Apache here. So to install Apache, we need to do the following. So sudo apt install Apache2, and we're going to hit yes. So now we're going to do sudo systemctl Apache2. Oops. Oh, we're going to do start Apache2. So now we can, I think we can also check the status. So we see that Apache2 is running, so it's active right now. And if we would go onto our over here and we would ping, we can, I don't know if it's going to react to ping. It's not going to react to ping probably. So we need to be sure to go over to our server over here. Let's do http://192.168.0.254, which was the fixed IP address we gave our server. And we can see that there is no connection right now, but the service is running. So this is not the problem. The service is definitely running. The problem is that the firewall is holding it back. So let's do a sudo ufw allow. No, let's do sudo ufw list app. Oops, it's made the same mistake again. App list. And now we can see that Apache, Apache Full, and Apache Secure are services that are now available as applications. These are available applications for our UFW. So let's go ahead and sudo UFW allow, and then let's put this into captions here. Allow Apache Full, and then let's enter here. So the rules have been added. So let's see if this already worked out. Maybe we need to. No, this perfectly works. So we what we actually did right now is we installed Apache2, then we allowed the Apache rules to, we allowed the rules, the firewall rules to, we adjusted the firewall rules for Apache2 to be allowed to, pass the firewall. And now let's go into cd/var/www. Let's do an ls. Let's go into cd html. And let's do an ls again. And here we have index.html. And let's do a nano index.html. And over here we can see that there is a whole bunch of text included. And over here we can see that the whole website that's listed over here is here. So let's go ahead and exit out of this. Let's actually quickly do a remove index.html. Let's do a sudo remove. There we go. And now let's do a nano rm excuse me. So let's do a sudo nano index.html. And now let's quickly create so let's do HTML, some basic HTML stuff. So let's do a let's just do a h1. Hello, this is server. Just to make sure that everything is working the way it should work. And then let's close it up with HTML. There we go. And now it's well, there. Well, there we go. This works perfectly here. Yeah, so the server works perfectly and the services is running. So this was actually all you need to do to install the Apache web server. As you can see, you can change the index file in the var www HTML folder, and over there you can change the file, and you can create your own website over here. You just need to change that index.html file over here. So this was actually all you need to do for installing the Apache2 web server. So the next video we're going to be covering is installing MySQL on the server, and after that we just need to install PHP, and then I'll have a bonus video to how to install and configure phpMyAdmin to be able to administer all your databases on the server. So this was just me showing you how to install the Apache web server. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please leave a like and a comment below. And if you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.